25 plus household chores in English. Wipe off the table. Don't forget to wipe off the table. Ask the waitress to wipe off the table. Scrub the floor. I started to scrub the floor. She used the brush to scrub the floor. Answer the phone. I probably won't answer the phone. He answered the phone but didn't say anything. Open the window. Open the door. It's so hot in here. Can I open the window? Don't open the door to strangers. It's not safe. Shut the door. Close the door. Please close the door. He shut the door behind him. Dust the shelves. She dusts the shelves every day. I need to dust the doorknob. Pick up the toys. She picked up her toys. Can you please pick up your toys? Move the furniture. They are moving the furniture. Could you help me move the furniture? Do the laundry. He is doing the laundry today. He did the laundry and hung it out to dry. Cut the grass. I am just going to cut the grass. We need a lawn mower to cut the grass. Mow the lawn. I mow the lawn every week in summer. It took me 2 hours to mow the lawn. Make the bed. I make the bed in my bedroom every day. He helped me to make the bed. Change the sheets. Please change the sheets on the bed. Hotel housekeepers change the sheets every day. Fold. I love to fold clothes with my grandma. Will you help me fold up the clothes? Hang out the clothes. Please hang out the clothes. She's hanging out the clothes on a clothesline. Tidy up. It's your turn to tidy up the room. The room is a mess. Please tidy up. Do the dishes. Wash the dishes. I do the dishes every day, so I'm used to it. It was my turn to wash the dishes. Dry the dishes. Wipe the dishes. She dried the dishes carefully. Wipe the dishes with a dry cloth. Take out the garbage. Take out the trash. Will someone take out the trash? Don't forget to take out the garbage. Set the table. Could you set the table for dinner? I set the table for dinner. Clear the table. I cleared the table after dinner. The waiter is clearing the table in the restaurant. fix the roof. We have to fix the roof. I will fix the roof tomorrow. Water the flowers. She is watering the flowers. I have to water the flowers. Feed the dog. He is feeding the dog. I feed my dog 2 cups of dog food every evening. Cook the meal. My mother is cooking the meal. I cook the meal to help my parents. Sweep the floor. He is sweeping the floor. I use a broom to sweep the floor. Vacuum the floor. She is vacuuming the floor. You should vacuum the floor every day. Subscribe, comment, like, and share.